Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to calculate the values and converts into the percentage. This is a very simple method. Please stay with us. So let's start now. Just select these columns and press Ctrl T. Click OK. Then you can see it converts into the table form. Then you will write equal sign and then select one cell, then slash, division sign, then select second bar, then press multiplication sign and 100 and press enter. You can see when I press this button, all the cells are converted automatically into the percentage form. So this is a very simple method and very quick method. You can convert the percentage, the whole columns and multiple numbers of cells and thousands and hundreds of numbers of cells. You can convert and you can draw the percentage of these cells within a second. So if you have nice information like this, you can share with us. Please subscribe, like and comment and share this channel. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.